What is going on, guys? Today I'm excited to show you guys how to install the M3 style carbon fiber mirror caps for the F30. Huge shout out to ProAutoMotion for sending me these and sponsoring this video. Check out the link below if you want to buy these. We're gonna see how the fitment is compared to other M3 style mirrors. I'm not sure how much these go for, but I'll definitely leave a link in the description. Mike's car is here as well, so we can kind of compare the two and see how similar they are to the actual M3 style rear view mirror caps. I got these in carbon fiber because I didn't want to get black and just like basically have it wouldn't be a huge difference. I really wanted to get carbon fiber. If you guys want to get these, remember, I'll leave a link in the description. All you really need to do to install this, it's really easy. All you need is a pry tool, and that's really it. And yeah, I'm gonna show you guys before and afters too. Alright guys, so to start the install, you're gonna go ahead and go inside your car and turn on the ignition and go ahead and move the mirror up, all the way up as far as it can go. After you've done so, go ahead and take your pry tool and push in the middle right here. There's like a pin right here, and here, and here, and here, I believe. Just gonna hold on to it right here. After you've removed the mirror, there's a clip here. Oh crap. There's a clip here, and there's a clip right here. I know you probably can't see it, but use your new mirror cap as a reference so then you can figure out where the pins are. And then after you've done that, you can put away your pry tool and take your fingernails and just try and squeeze the tabs out. Try to just be gentle because you don't want to break it. Because you never know, you might want to put these back on sooner or later. Alright, so after you've taken this out, go ahead and make sure you didn't break the pins. If you did, oh well, you have the new ones for a reason. These do weigh a lot more than the other ones. I don't know why, but oh well. Let's go ahead and just line up the tabs. Be patient with this because you don't want to break it or force anything, which is why it's important to not break your last one, because if in case you break this, you want to put your old one back on. Make sure all the pins line up. Okay, so we ran into a little bit of an issue. Basically, this pin right here, it was a little too thick for the housing of the rearview mirror. As you can see, there's only one that's in, and over here, there's two of them. So this is how it's really supposed to look. So just be careful and mindful of how you're pushing it in, because they can break, and you just want to be super careful. This isn't a huge deal. It's still pretty much on perfectly. I'm going to give you guys some before and after shots right now, but now it's just a matter of putting the mirror back on, and then we're pretty much done. And the process is the same on the other side. Alrighty, so we got both sides installed. It looks fantastic. I like the way they came out. I like the way they look. I'm gonna give you guys quick before and afters right now while I'm filming this. Huge shout out to Mike for helping me install this. This was actually pretty tricky to do because my hands are so cold. I'm really not good in the cold weather, so my hands were freezing. It was very hard to do this. So if you're gonna do this and you're not very good with cold weather, make sure you have some gloves because your hands will freeze. But aside from that, they look really stylish. It makes the car look way more aggressive. It looks really good, especially with my M Sport front bumper. Like, it does make a huge difference. You'd think that something so small wouldn't make such a gigantic difference in the looks, but in the appearance, it has made a huge difference. I'm gonna give you guys some stills as well. And then after that, we can take a look and really compare the two. So as you can see, Mike's is basically, it's like together, it's all together in like one piece, right? Even this part right here is all like one piece. You see, as you can see, like it's all one piece, it's all together. This one, since the actual F30 rearview mirror is actually normally like a box, since it's like that, they had to cut this out and then add this over it. Whereas on the M3, it's all like one piece, and it obviously looks much better. But this is a nice alternative, and it does look very nice. I really like the way it came out. So huge shout out to ProAutoMotion for sending me these rearview mirror caps, the carbon fiber ones. Huge shout out to you guys. Thank you so much. I really like them a lot. Thank you. And I hope you guys enjoyed this mod, enjoyed this little DIY. Sorry if it wasn't very informative. I tried as much as possible, but normally when I do DIYs, I just end up vlogging and they're never informative. But I really wanted to help you guys out with this one because it's a small, pretty easy install, and it does make a pretty big difference. So anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Take care. Peace out.